It's my 40th birthday this weekend. I've got some friends and family coming around, so I wanted to plan a cocktail menu. Now, I, like many others, do enjoy making drinks and stepping behind the bar, but at the same time, I don't want to spend the whole entire day just making drinks. So I want to do a little preparation ahead of time. I'm actually hosting a cocktail workshop on my birthday. Actually, I should say on my birthday in US time, but it'll be my 5th wedding anniversary on Sunday. And I'm hosting a cocktail workshop. It was my wife's idea, so I won't get in trouble. But essentially, I'm going to show people how I like to batch or pre-batch, batch, and make punches so that whilst you're making drinks for friends and family, you're not spending the entire time behind the bar. Just to make things a little bit more efficient so you don't get overwhelmed. You can still have a great time, of course. So a couple of drinks that I'm going to be running through, a couple of recipes, but it's more so about the techniques used to create these drinks. But I'll be doing a barrel-aged cocktail, so a barrel-aged Boulevardier. I've got a carbonated Cosmopolitan, a Tom Yummy Collins, which is obviously carbonated as well. My favorite, which is the toasted coconut rum old fashioned, a coffee washed Negroni. I've got a clarified milk punch, and I've got a couple of others to share as well. But yeah, hopefully you guys are keen to join me on my birthday, on my 40th birthday, whilst I host a cocktail workshop. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check out some details. I'm really excited about this one. It's been a lot of fun experimenting and working out these recipes to share with you. So I'll hopefully see you there.